Welcome to this short introductory video of the new, restructured 4-month ADAT preparatory course by Confidentist starting in January 2024.
The new online ADAT course by Confidentist features a unique, diverse, and flexible course design that allows ITDs with varying learning needs to benefit from the course and succeed at the ADAT by using the course in any format convenient to them.
The online course is offered in 3 versions, including a comprehensive hybrid format, a hybrid ADAT module, and a fully pre-recorded ADAT module. The comprehensive hybrid course covers all 3 areas of the ADAT: clinical sciences, basic medical sciences, and data, research interpretation, and evidence-based dentistry, EBD. The ADAT modules, on the other hand, cover basic medical sciences and data, research interpretation, and evidence-based dentistry. These are beneficial for candidates who are taking or have previously taken AFK courses and are looking to prepare these 2 areas specifically. These modules can be taken in hybrid or fully pre-recorded formats.
As mentioned earlier, hybrid format of the comprehensive course and ADAT modules combines pre-recorded lectures and live interaction with experienced mentors. This ensures that candidates with all learning styles can benefit from this course to succeed at the ADAT. The online ADAT course, as the combined product of contributions from the top instructors of ITD courses in Canada. These include Drs. Amir Reza Bahadur, Yasmin Vafi, Mehdi Adabrad, Nada Kadivar, Sina Jafari, Parul Dum, Fatima Hossein Khani, and Delabak Shea.
Each of the hybrid clinical and BMS/EBD modules is 2 months in duration and is held on an alternating basis.
The course is held from November to June and can be taken by candidates writing the exam anytime between March to August.
The course also offers multiple intakes that candidates can use to align with the timeline of their test. Candidates can join the comprehensive hybrid course in November, January or March, or take just the ADAT hybrid modules in January or May. The pre-recorded ADAT modules can be taken anytime. Confidentist is the leading ITD institute in Canada for over 10 years. Contact us today to join the next intake and succeed in your ADAT exam with flying colors. Our website is www.confidentist.ca. Our email is info@confidentist.ca, or you can call us at 437-370-0122. You can also connect with us through a social media platform of your choice. Our team looks forward to being a part of your North American dental dream.